People who snore should sleep on their side. Sleeping on the back can cause the tongue and soft palate to drop, blocking the airway and causing snoring. When sleeping on the side, the airway will open naturally and the sound of snoring will decrease or disappear. However, if snoring persists, regardless of the position, it is best to see a doctor. Find out more free health tips at wellnesswang.com.